We're Ashley and Demarcus Lee, and we chose to build the Monroe 2P.
The best part of our experience with Shaw so far has been the attention to detail. I feel like throughout the entire process, we've gotten a ton of information to help us make, pretty important decisions. I feel like the first time we built with another builder, we didn't get that type of treatment. So
Yeah.
that's
And the communication, too, between Shaw and us has been great through the whole process.
the best part and difference between Shaw and other builders that we've dealt with has been the attention to detail and I guess the thoroughness of everything. I feel like Shaw goes above and beyond to make sure you know about every single option you have, with even little things you don't think about that,
Exactly,
that
yeah.
you didn't know, wouldn't think there is an option.
And just the whole picking out process. Shelly's been extremely patient with me, most especially because I am very indecisive on things. So that's been very, very great and helpful.
If we have someone come to us that's looking to build a house, we would definitely recommend Shaw uh, because of the thoroughness of everything. I also felt like we're getting really good quality for the price that we're paying for the home.